warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to my beloved lecturer, Madam Umi Kaltum binti Muhammad Mukhtar. My name is Nur Fatiati Zainal, and today our group will present about a case study in Darby Plantation. We go to the first one is company background. Let's move to the vision. Our vision is to create a portfolio of sustainable companies in the industrial biotechnology sector to tap into a vast uncharted territories along the old palm value chains. We move to mission. For the first one is we are dedicated to making a good portfolio of sustainable business. Second is we support a good corporate governance and high ethical standard. Third is we continue to strive to deliver a return on investment through operational excellence and high quality objective. Fourth is we are providing an environment for our people to realize their full potential. Okay, let's move to the business area. Darby Plantation is a world largest oil plantation company, approximately 2.496 million tons or 4% of the largest crude palm oil plantation output annually. Business philosophy in manufacturing to maintain the highest quality at all the time, which is this vegetable oil based on ingredients such as cooking oil, soap, and butter. In making sustainable future real, they often to join the campaign to raise the awareness about the importance to protect our earth from the pollution. The company also are rapidly to investing in research and development to make innovative from their product.
Hello, my name is Farifah Saleh. So we got through the next part about the SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is a very effective way to identify the strength and weakness and examining of the opportunities and threats that our company have faced. So here we attach the diagram of the SWOT analysis of the company's Darby Plantation that related about their internal and external audit. Based on the overview, we have then gone through for each element. The strength first show that they have a certified sustainable palm oil that can be trusted more to customers and have been dealing for a long time. Second, they have great financial revenue performance for every year, which got 43 billions and great register for 1 billion in every year. The third, great team management that have good personality person as a guidance who make great this happen for our company every day. Fourth, Operation Product Excellence, which provide new innovation and sustainability. Fifth, high capacity of the research and development, which provide the scientists and technicians for make sure this product has a best quality. For the weakness, first is the lower cost to customer price and weakest downstream demand. Second, low recruitment of migrant workers and retention of personnel document because almost 50% of our operation have identified salient issue. The third show, Darby Plantation have small amount of plantable land causes widespread pollution issue. The fourth, liquidity remain weak because as cash source to meet scheduled debt maturities. Okay, the last four weakness show that the Darby Plantation still have that obligation because it exposure to crude the palm oil that lead to cash flow volatility moderating.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Next we go to the SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis. There are two types of for the external analysis. First of all, opportunities. In opportunities, SWOT Darby Plantation have opportunities to increasing demand for crude palm oil CPO. Next, Darby have opportunities to rising health issue. Then Darby also can there are opportunities for the Darby Plantation, which is availability of land in Indonesia and ability of low cost for workers. Darby also have support from both government. And last is Darby can have opportunities to change to switching to renewable energy. Next, we go to the trade. Trade. We go to the trade. So for the trade for the Darby is the price fluctuation of crude palm oil (CPO) could lead to lower demand of palm oil. Darby have a limited supply of high quality seed, so it become a threat for the organization. Next, Darby Plantation have land ownership issues. And the last is recently in Borneo, palm oil industry face Ganoderma basal stem rot (GBSR) disease, which is can cause caused by the wood rotting fungus. So the disease make disease become a threat for the Darby plantation, because it can decrease the demand of the demand for the oil.
My name is Nurul Fatiha binti Jamaluddin. Let's continue to the next slide, which is case study problem. According to a press release from Asia News channel, which was written by Lim Hui Ting on a 31 December 2020, the US has banned Malaysian palm oil giant Sime Darby from forcing United States had banned the company Sime Darby Plantation because the company had imposed forced labor on all employees serving the company. This is because it was said that a plantation worker from Sime Darby had collected oil palm fruits at a farm located on Carey Island, Malaysia. The company was found to be withholding salaries to employees who worked in the company, and they were also found to be forcing their employees to work overtime. Next, Sime Darby Plantation has made a serious mistake by entering the supply chain of a well-known American food and cosmetics company. The company that manufactures palm oil has been banned from the United States because they have found that the Sime Darby Plantation Company has abused the indications of forced labor working at the company. And lastly, company has the disadvantage of not being able to manage the company well because they do not make good management strategies. With the problems faced by the Sime Darby Plantation Company, the company is also unable to provide good cooperation to their workers because the company is not able to manage the company well. Therefore, problems arose in their company which caused other companies to ban them from shipping palm oil.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Almuddin bin Muhammad. Okay, we continue to recommendation. There are 3 recommendations for Sime Darby Plantation. First one is productivity improvement. This is about the training and program for workers. When the training and the program are developed, the workers can be the high quality of the processing the plantation. Okay, next one is increase revenue stream. This is about the marketing in the online. The Sime Darby can create the YouTube channel for get the revenue of the viewer. When the high view see the channel, they can get the big revenue. Another one is the test of the service. When the customer purchase their product, they can get the test of the service given of the Sandabi. Okay, the last one is sustainable practice is the develop green technology. When Sandabi develop green technology, they can reduce the chemical and another hazard come to the plantation. That's all for me. Assalamualaikum.
So, for the conclusion is Sandabi Plantation has its own strength and weakness from the SWOT analysis. Challenges faced by the agricultural sector in this era of having a failure world crude oil price because the situation economy pandemics. These companies has a own strategy to merge their subsidiaries, the small companies into a one big company. So it will make the one large company have a big financial to operate the business. Sandabi is now and the international companies and also have a major driver key for the economy to Malaysian country as well as a variance of multinational economies. This company need to study and analyze what is the internal and external factor to make sure the organization can increase the sale of product and the revenue. So that's all from us. Thank you. Stay at home. #kita jaga kita.